in Affinity Photo how to get all of the colours in your image as some swatches. So you can apply it as just a bar along the bottom or any position. It's just a layer in Affinity Photo. Very easy to do. All you need to do is go to Window and just down to Swatches. In Swatches, you will get this panel. Now, you may get slightly smaller, but you can drag it over. And I like to do that. So let's just drag this out, make it as big as possible. And also, on the right side menu, go here and you can go down to Appearance and go with Large. You might want to go with Small, depending on the document. Now, with this, what you can then do is again go over here and then click here and just go down to Create Palette from Document. And I'm just going to use Application Palette. Select that. And then you get all the colours here. Now, of course, as always, there's just the 2 additional ones there. Always happens. Well, what you can then do is don't hover over here, because what happens, you get this. You need to copy it into your pasteboard. I'm not certain of the shortcut for Windows, but on the Mac, all you need to do is hold down the Command, Control, Shift, and 4. Always have to remind myself how to do that. Trying to avoid getting the text popping up is also another good thing. Once you've done that, you can then go over here and you can just select this point and just drag along. Obviously, you do it fairly carefully and drag along all the way there and make certain all the swatches are added and release. Once you've done that, you can then close it and then again, edit and paste. Just paste it on there, and you of course can resize it a bit. Let's just resize it so it fills the entire thing so you can see it. And you can move it down, around, or maybe if you could just resize it to however you want it. Maybe you want it as a rectangle, that position. Up to you. And then you can see you get this, and then of course you can flatten it using the layer and just go down to Merge Visible if you want to do that. If you've got any questions, thoughts, if you know of any easier ways of doing it, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to know. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.